Oh, finally. What is happening here? Oh, it looked like it was stuck on the rut. Oh, you got a good one? Watch out for whatever this fun thing is here. Oh, let me go get the net. Man, I had just said it was not looking good.
Oh, getting on this side?
Yep. Oh. He's over here. He's over this one. Oh yeah, it's a good one. And we got a flip-flop with it. Oh, 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 oh.
What do we do?
Come closer. Just reel it in more. He's just fighting. Good job.
Yeah.
Right when I was losing hope.
Me too. I was like, yeah.
Let's bring him over here.
Okay. I threw my phone. Yeah, buddy.
Good job.
Good job, baby.
Well,
Nice.
looks like he's turning. Oh, 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 oh. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I was just waiting for him to calm down.
That was nice.
Yep. He ripped his mouth pretty good.
Huh?
He ripped his mouth pretty good.
Oh, ouch. Yeah, he was a fighter.
Oh, oh. You can put it right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Oh, if you want to, it's up to you. If you're curious as to what it weighs.
No, I'm good.
Oh, 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 no, he's getting dirty. You got him?
I think so. Oh. Right under here?
Behind the fins? Yeah.
Right, like here?
Like just push. Oh.
Sir, sir.
Like this and back here.
Like this. I see. He's so dirty.
Oh, here, let me get maybe on this side. Turn a little bit more into the sun. No, like stand over here and turn. There we go. Oh, here we go. Much better. Good job.
Thank you. I want to make sure that I release him correctly.
Yeah, when he goes head down, just try not to do a flip or face first. Just angle him into the water so it's more like a slide in.
Like this?
You can get close if you want to. That was good.
Okay, cool. That's awesome.
Good job.
That was good. Oh my god.
Man, literally just got done saying, I don't know if we're going to be catching one. And then we caught one. Good job.
That was good.
I was so worried. I was like, is it going to pop off again? Like,
No.
are we going to have another problem?
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah.
All right, another one. This side's on fire today.
Maybe this one is fighting.
Is it?
Yeah.
This one's on fire today. Yeah, I'll go get it.
Heavy.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like it's getting a whole lot of line back when you're reeling it in. Oh yeah, let's see. Wait a minute. Why'd that look weird? That looked strange for a sec. Oh no, okay. Shoot, he was fighting like he was bigger.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's shaking.
Yep.
What do I do?
Just gotta let him run it out. Okay. You're fine. Oh, I thought I got him. He ducked me. There we go.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Maybe my arm hurts. He was really fighting. Oh, thank you. Oh,
yeah, that one, I thought it was going to be bigger. Oh, 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 oh. That was definitely a solid hook.
Yeah, he was really fighting.
Yeah, he was hitting above his weight class for sure.
Yeah.
All right. Whoa, 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 whoa.
He's a little bit bigger than that first one.
Yep. Oh yeah, he's cold.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, let me clean my hands before I grab my phone. And then, the other side might be better again. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that one's definitely bigger. Oh, let me make sure.
Hi, baby. Thank you for biting. Okay. I'll let this guy go.
Nice.
Nice. That was good. Yeah.
Oh, this one's all slacked up.
There might be a turtle on there. Oh, that little branch. Wow. That was crazy.
Yeah, he was hitting hard. And he was staying down too. I was like, man, this one's gonna be big when it finally comes up.
I couldn't see him. I was like, where is he? You know?
Yep.
But yeah, he was really, he kept going down. Yeah, you were right. He was cold. Oh, baby, my heart. I was like, sir, why are you fighting like this?
Yeah, that's why I was like, wait a minute, is this not a carp or something?
Yeah, that's what I thought too, because I was like, where is it? Okay. That's good.